In this video, you'll learn how to add holidays in Zoho People. We'll go through the process step by step so you can quickly set up holidays for your team and keep your leave calendar accurate and up to date. Let's start from the home screen in Zoho People. When you first log in, you'll land on the main dashboard. This is where you see an overview of your account, but for managing holidays, we need to move into the right section of the app. From the home page, look towards the bottom left of your screen and select the option called Operations. This is the area where most of your HR and administrative tools live, including leave, attendance, and of course, holidays. Clicking Operations helps you narrow down to everything related to managing people's time. Once you're inside the Operations section, find and click on Leave Tracker. The Leave Tracker is where Zoho People groups everything related to time off, including leave types, balances, and your holiday list. It's important to add holidays here so that they automatically appear in the calendar and are factored into leave calculations. Inside Leave Tracker, look for the option labeled Holiday. Click on Holiday to open your organization's holiday list. This page shows the holidays that have already been added for the current year, and this is where you'll add any new ones that apply to your company, region, or team. To create a new holiday, click on the Add Holiday button. This will usually open a small form or dialog box where you can enter the details. Take a moment before you type anything to make sure you're adding the holiday to the correct holiday list or calendar if your organization uses multiple locations or groups. Keeping this organized will help your employees see only the holidays that apply to them. Now you'll enter the holiday name and date. In the name field, type a clear and recognizable name for the holiday. For example, use the official holiday name your company recognizes so everyone understands what it is when they see it in their leave calendar. Next, set the date for the holiday, click on the date field and use the date picker to choose the correct day. Make sure you double check the year as well, especially if you're planning holidays for the upcoming year. If your organization uses regional or country-specific holidays, confirm that the date aligns with the correct observance in your area. Some setups may allow additional details like whether the holiday is a full day or a half day, or which location or department it applies to. Even though that isn't required by the basic steps, it's a good practice to review any extra options on the screen and make sure they match the way your company actually observes that holiday. After you've entered the holiday name and selected the date, go ahead and save your changes. Click the Save button to confirm and add the holiday to the list. Once it's saved, the holiday should now appear in your holiday list and show up in employee leave calendars and reports. It will also help prevent employees from accidentally booking leave on days the company is officially closed. That's all you need to do. By following these simple steps, you can keep your Zoho People holiday calendar accurate, consistent, and easy for everyone in your organization to rely on.